Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about 10 local SEO tools you must use in 2024. See, in the ever evolving landscape of digital marketing, local SEO or search engine optimization has emerged as a crucial strategy for businesses looking to attract customers in their immediate geographic area. As competition increases, leveraging the right tools can make a significant difference in the visibility, traffic, and ultimately revenue. So in this video, we will delve into 11 indispensable local SEO tools from analytics to rank tracking that can boost your local SEO efforts. We will also explore how to use them effectively and discuss their limitations. So first tool in our list is GMB, which is Google My Business. So Google My Business is a free tool that lets businesses manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. So by creating and optimizing your GMB listings, you can ensure that your business appears in local search results, providing potential customers with essential information such as your address, phone number, and hours of operation. So what are the benefits? Well, the first benefit is that it enhances visibility in local search results. Second benefit is it provides insights into how customers find and interact with your listings. Third, it allows businesses to engage with customers through review and question and answer. So what are the limitations then? That's the question that comes up. So first limitation is that you have limited control over how your business appears in search results. Second is it requires ongoing management to respond to reviews and update information. So that was first tool. Second tool in our list is Moz Local. Now Moz Local helps ensure your business listings make them accurate and consistent across the web. So by submitting your business information to Moz Local, the tool will distribute your data to major online directories, thereby improving your local search presence. So what are the benefits of Moz Local? Well, first benefit is it enhances local visibility by ensuring consistent name, address, and phone number information. Second benefit is it monitors and updates your listing automatically. Third benefit is it provides insights into your local search performance. And what are the limitations of it? Well, first is it's a subscription-based tool which can be costly for small businesses. Second is it's limited to the directories most partners. Third tool in our list is Bright Local. So Bright Local offers a comprehensive suite of local SEO tools including rank tracking, citation building, and review management. It's designed to help businesses improve the local search performance through data-driven insights and actionable recommendations. What are the benefits of this tool? Well, first and most important benefit is all-in-one platform for various local SEO tasks. Second is detailed reporting and analytics. And third benefit is competitor analysis to identify opportunities and threats. And what are the limitations? Well, first, it can be overwhelming for beginners due to the range of features. Second, it requires a paid subscription which can be costly for small businesses. So fourth tool in our list is SEMrush. So SEMrush is a versatile SEO tool that provides local SEO features including position tracking, site audits, and local keyword research. It helps businesses identify and capitalize on local search opportunities. What are the benefits of it? First benefit is comprehensive tool with a wide range of SEO features. Second benefit is local keyword tracking and analysis. Third benefit is competitor benchmarking to understand market position. So these are the benefits. What are the limitations? Well, first is it's expensive. It has higher cost compared to other local SEO tools. Learning curve for beginners due to its extensive features is really high. Fifth tool in our list is WhiteSpark. So WhiteSpark actually specializes in local citation building and management, which is crucial for local SEO. It helps businesses find citation opportunities, manage existing citations, and track local search rankings. What are the benefits of this tool? Well, the first and most important benefit is that it enhances local search visibility through citation building. Second benefit is detailed local rank tracking. And third is it provides citation audit and cleanup services. It also has certain limitations too, such as it focuses primarily on citations, so it may not be comprehensive for all local SEO needs. And then paid subscription actually requires for full access. Sixth tool in our list is Yext, Y-E-X-T. It manages your business listing across a network of directories, search engines, and social media platforms. It ensures that your business information is accurate and consistent, thereby improving local search visibility. What are the benefits of this tool? First benefit is that it streamlines the process of managing business listing. Second benefit is real-time updates to business information. Third is it provides analytics and insights into listing performance. What are the limitations of this tool? Well, first is it can be expensive, particularly for small businesses. Next is it allows you limited control over some aspects of listing on partner sites. Seventh tool in our list is review trackers. Now, review trackers help businesses monitor and manage online reviews across various platforms. It aggregates reviews from multiple sites, allowing you to respond to customer feedback promptly and effectively. What are the benefits of this tool? First is it centralizes review management for easy access. Second, it provides sentiment analysis to understand customer feedback. Third is it helps improve online reputation and customer engagement. What are the limitations of this tool? Well, first, again, it's a subscription base which may not be feasible for all business. In fact, it's quite expensive. Second, it focuses on reviews, so it may need to be paired with other local SEO tools. Eighth tool in our list is SignUp, SYNUP. So SignUp is a local SEO platform that manages business listing, monitors reviews, and provides insights into local search performance. It aims to simplify the process of local SEO management. What are the benefits of this tool? Well, first and foremost is that it ensures consistent business information across the web. Second, it tracks and manages online reviews. And third is that it provides performance analytics and reporting. Limitations? Well, again, it requires a paid subscription. Second, it may offer more features than some businesses need. Ninth tool in our list is the widely popular tool Ahrefs, Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is known for its backlink analysis and SEO capability, but it also offers local SEO features. It helps businesses identify local keyword opportunities, analyze competitors, and track ranking. What are the benefits of this tool? Well, first benefit is comprehensive SEO tool with local SEO features. Second is detailed backlink analysis to improve local search ranking. Third is competitor research and analysis. This tool also has some limitations, such as it's expensive compared to other local SEO, and also it can be complex for beginners to navigate. 10th and final tool in our list is GeoRanker. So GeoRanker focuses on local rank tracking and SEO analysis. It provides insights into local search performance by tracking rankings across different locations and devices. This tool has some benefits, such as detailed local rank tracking and reporting. It also identifies local SEO opportunities. It monitors local search performance across multiple locations. This tool also has limitations. There is no tool without limitation. First limitation is paid subscription requires full access. Then limited to rank tracking and analysis, so it may need to be supplemented with other tools. So see, implementing an effective local SEO strategy requires the right set of tools. From managing business listings to tracking local search rankings, these 10 tools offer a variety of features to boost your local SEO efforts. However, it's essential to understand that no single tool can address all your needs. Combining multiple tools, understanding their limitations, and leveraging their strengths will provide the best result. So, what are the key takeaways from this video? Google My Business, which is essential for enhancing local visibility and engaging with customers. Most local, it ensures consistent business information across directories. Bright Local, it's a comprehensive platform for local SEO tasks and competitor analysis. SEMrush, it's a versatile tool with extensive SEO and local SEO features. White Spark, it specializes in local citation building and rank tracking. Yext, it manages business listings across a wide network. Review Trackers, it centralizes review management and provides sentiment analysis. SyNup, SYNUP, it simplifies local SEO management with comprehensive features. Ahrefs, it offers local SEO features with a focus on backlink analysis. GeoRank provides detailed local rank tracking and analysis. So by integrating these tools into your local SEO strategy, you can enhance your online presence, attract more local customers, and ultimately drive growth for your business. Remember to regularly review and adjust your strategy based on the insights and data provided by these tools to stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving demands of business. Thanks for watching.